Hello ladies and gents, and today we've got a demo day at Kamado Kings BONO, which is I had an opportunity to grill for them, starting at 12 p.m. expecting a few guests today, so grilling on all the 3 grills. So let's take a look. So today we're prepping some pork spare ribs from Swift. Got them actually at the farm food. They're the best ribs you can actually get. So that's a pre-prep because I need to start cooking them a bit earlier. It's a bit windy today. 6 racks of ribs, 5 of them gonna get cooked, and 6th one's gonna be up for show. How to prep it. Got the temps, got the smoke going, the ribs going. Then an extension, does not fit. 2 more racks over the top. We've got 5 racks going today. That's it. So I've got another grill going for the wings. Get that one burning. Get to the temps. It's nearly 12 o'clock. Setup is done. Meats are cooking. Ribs cooking in there. Got a selection of charcoal. Our beautiful women making some preparations as well. Gid was from Kamado Kings himself, the organizer. I'm just a chef. People are gathering already, slowly. Let's hear the turnout. Right, hello everyone. Right, my name's Larry. You can follow me on YouTube, guys. Just let you know everyone's going to be on YouTube channel. If you're okay, everyone's okay. If anyone want to be blurred out, just come and let me know later on, yeah? There's nothing famous going on down there. Excuse me my bad English. Can everyone hear me? Yeah. Good. If you can't, just come in closer, guys. Don't be afraid. I'm not going to stab anyone. All my knives are blunt. So what are we cooking today, guys? Yeah, as a starter, we decided to cook some chicken wings. So chicken wings have been on for about 45 minutes. They're going on, they're going to be ready very soon. So that's that. We've got some steaks going on later on as well, and as a main dish I would say there is the ribs, which is I'll show you the process and everything, but just so everyone can see it. So let's close it, no peeking now. So the wings. Does anyone want to know how I prepared these wings today for this? Right, so I'm using chicken wings, middle parts. They're my favorite to cook, smoke, on the skewers or like that in direct heat. So it's just more appealing. Gonna do now. So my favorite go-to is just a French mustard and some honey. Not too much. That's how they look. Everyone can see? Yep. The guy at the back can't. Huh? So basically, that's it. And you can cook them now, basically. After you season them, you can cook them any way you want. You can skewer them, you can put them indirect, direct, whichever way you want it. And my favorite way to do it now, seasoning, I like to use savory and sweet. So usually I go for the savory in the bottom, because when you pick the wing, just simply like that. A bit windy today. The ring, otherwise it's just going to be too much. But anything for the wings, you don't have to fully fill. It's basically a couple of kilos is enough for the wings to cook anyway. Better because the charcoal actually comes to the edges of the fire pit. So after you lit the charcoal, I'm using these all the time. That's my preferred method, because literally one of these two, which is perfect. You don't want to be below on chicken 74 degrees in Celsius, guys, yeah? But anything the dark meat is actually recommended above 80, which is like thighs, chicken wings, I usually go above 80. And basically push it into the center sort of. So guide it in. So pull it out, pull it in. So you'll see the temperature going up and down. So quick tip, guys. Yeah, anyone grill at home? See what I've done? I put another gloves underneath my gloves. Do you know why? When you're handling the meat, it's not as hot. But anything like finish underlay gloves is perfect. You can't feel that heat. Obviously, don't touch the grills because they're just going to burn you. Now, just mix it in. The same temperature, yeah, just carry on same temps. So 5-10 minutes basically. More like to get burst by a bone. So when you're folding them, even 2 layers. No one's home. Just put it on the floor, guys. You're going to wash it later anyway. So, on the way out, please. Nice tender bites, ribs, you want to remove that tender, what am I talking about? the basically non-penetrating film, I can't remember the name of it. Membrane, thank you. Jesus. This is stress from you guys. There you go. So there's a couple of ways you can actually leave the membrane on. Some people prefer, but what you need to do basically, I'm not going to score it because I'm going to take it off. You can score it every inch. Just score it in, and that way it basically helps break charcoal. What are you going to do with that charcoal, most of you? Keep it?
Yes. Mix it. I keep it by mixing.
Yeah. So what you do, go by hand, break it up. But what you, yeah. So depends what you're doing. So there is a difference in charcoal. Yeah. So I hope it's not hot still. So this charcoal is very good for low, super low and slow, anything up to 80 degrees cooking. So if you're smoking on 80 degrees, there's a little advice: save a lot of that and use that later by keeping it nice and dry. But because I'm going to be grilling and smoking, so make sure when you do that, just open up the middle, so basically some airflow goes in. In the last few years I never opened the bag properly, so just open it like that. There's that fancy way you do it, and just pull it. No. Now, I think in the last 6 years, I think I've done it once, just caught that perfect string and just come out. It's like satisfying, but other than that, there you go. So we'll fill the grill. So I'm cooking about 8 steaks. That's more than enough, so not exceeding that level. The bottom of the fire ring, dig a little hole, make sure the ventilation is fully open. 2 fire lighters, just like that, and just put in. That's it. Yeah, just in the middle. Don't have to spread it unless you want to grill it so quick. I'll buy my own meats all the different places. So these ones were bought at Turkish butchers. That's where the wings were from. So, but my go-to steaks are Asda steaks. You say what you want, Asda steaks, thick cut ribeye, 30-day dry age. That's it, and whatever's on the board, just go around, pick it up.
Nėra būtina tiesiog iškaitinti su anglių, uždarai tą ir paskirštis visų. O kai tada ant tiesioginę varai, tada vis tiek turi jas įdėti visas.
Jo, kai tiesiogiai kepi, tada viską įkaitina, jo. I made salad with steak. Right, this is the last part of the cook. So I've got some steak, lamb bread, some homemade slaw, special slaw. Big crowd today. Looks like everything went well. Everyone's enjoying their food. Are they enjoying your food? It's nice. Ah, get it, get it. How was it, guys?
Thank you very much.
Any good? What, with the chimichurri?
Yeah.
No, that's a shop bought. So that's some in the shop. Gonna get some opinions. How was it? Good?
Yep.
Did you guys enjoy it today?
Amazing. Amazing.
Thank you very much. Do you want us to do another demo day like this?
Yes, please. Soon, very soon.
Oh, actually, we're actually thinking, not this year, but next year, to do a barbecue school. So, okay, thank you. You guys enjoyed it?
Yes, 10 points.
Thank you. Goes to Lithuania. Thank you, guys. How was it, guys? Did you enjoy it?
Thank you, phenomenal.
He enjoyed it, didn't he?
He had some steak.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. thanks everyone for watching this video and being with us today. So looks like it was a good turnout. So done some cooking. So yeah, I've enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and everyone who was here, thank you very much, and thanks everyone for watching again. I'll see you next time.